What's going on, everybody? Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today I'm going to show you another example of how not to run your downspouts out. Now, I know all the DIYers out there are like, hey, you know what, it's better than nothing, which, sometimes it may be, but this looks like it just goes in the ground, so you're just literally putting the water into the ground to hasten building up next to your foundation and potentially going into your crawl space, or in this case, basement, which nobody wants. And as you can see, this stuff right here, just like that black corrugated crap, this is the cheap stuff people get, but it just breaks apart, end up becoming brittle and weak with the sun and the heat and the cold and rain hitting on it. So it doesn't last very long, and it's not ever really worth putting in, because I assume there's some kind of outlet somewhere. Where, I don't know. It's just in the ground. Yeah, but it doesn't matter, because I'm going to rip it out, do it the right way, put in PVC pipe, and it's going to go from here, pick up the other downspout, and go all the way to the street, to a pop-up emitter, like it's supposed to be. So, like you guys said before, DIYs try, but hire a professional, so that way it's done correctly. And you don't have to worry about foundation settling, or getting foundation cracks or anything like that, or flooding your crawl space or basement. All right, guys.